Have a nice day everyone. In this video I will show you how to crochet a star in detail, slowly, step by step. $3mm yarn and 5mm crochet hook, 5 markers, scissors and sewing needle. Okay, now start with magic ring. Chain 2, 1 and 2, then crochet 10 half double crochet into the magic ring. Yarn over, insert the ring, take the yarn. We have 3 loops on the hook and pull through 3 loops. Mark the first stitch. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Pull the ring tight and slip stitch into the first stitch here. Chain 1. For each point of the star, we will crochet over 2 stitches from the previous row. And now marking the position 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In the first stage, 1 single crochet. The second stage, crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet into the same stage, into the second stage. Okay, the first point, start with single crochet into the first stage, single crochet, mark the first stitch, in the second stage, crochet, half double crochet, yarn over, insert and pull through all loops on the hook, double yarn over. We have 3 loops on the hook. Now pull through 2 loops and through 2 loops, chain 2, 1, 2, double crochet, through 2 loops and 2 loops, have double crochet, we have 1 point at the start. Repeat crochet 4 more times. Okay, single crochet, in the next stage have double crochet, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, have double crochet, now we have 2 points. Repeat 3 more times. Single crochet, have double, double, chain 2, double crochet, have double crochet, the 4 points, single crochet, have double, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, have double crochet, and the last point, single crochet, in the next stage have double crochet, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, have double crochet. Okay, now cut the yarn and sew. Insert into the first stitch here. Okay, we have done. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. See you in the next video. Goodbye.